Celize Denture CleanPro is being promoted as a high-tech dental cleaning device that claims to remove bacteria, stains, and odors using ultrasonic waves and UV light. But the real question is whether it actually delivers a deep clean or just makes big promises. The product is typically marketed as an at-home ultrasonic cleaner for dentures, retainers, and aligners, designed to clean in just a few minutes without scrubbing. It uses ultrasonic vibrations and UVC light to dislodge debris and kill bacteria. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Ultrasonic cleaners and UV sanitizers are real technologies used in dental clinics and labs, and they can help remove buildup from hard-to-reach areas. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong independent clinical evidence proving that Celize Denture CleanPro performs at true clinical-grade level or delivers the broader health benefits it claims, like reducing risks linked to systemic diseases. Most of these claims come directly from the brand's own website. There are also some red flags in how it's marketed. The product heavily relies on bold claims like eliminating 99.99% of bacteria and being linked to major health improvements, along with urgency tactics like limited stock and large discounts. Common signs of overhyped direct response products. User feedback outside official pages is limited and unclear. Even on forums, people mention mixed expectations and uncertainty about whether it's truly worth the price. It's also important to understand that while these devices can help with cleaning, they don't replace proper dental hygiene routines or professional care, and results depend on consistent use. So, is Celize Denture CleanPro a real product or fake promises? It's a real device based on legitimate cleaning technology, but the bigger health and clinical-grade claims are likely exaggerated. The bottom line is that Celize Denture CleanPro may help improve denture cleanliness, but it's heavily marketed with overstated benefits. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.